Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made my sticky sweet chili wings. So for this recipe, you're going to need some sweet chili sauce, some garlic, squeezable honey, dark soy sauce, ketchup, and then to garnish, you're going to want some spring onions and sesame seeds. Last but not least, you're also going to need some chicken. I use 1 kg of chicken wings. You can season however you like. I use 1 teaspoon of salt. I also added 1 teaspoon of some black pepper. And then to finish off, I used 2 teaspoons of some paprika. I also then added in a drizzle of some dark soy sauce. I almost forgot, but I also used 2 teaspoons of some garlic. Mix this all together and allow it to marinate for around an hour in the fridge. So I'm using my air fryer for this recipe, and this is the setting that I'm going to be using it on. So firstly, I put the air fryer on the air crisp setting. I put the temperature to 180, and then for the time, I cooked the chicken for 23 minutes. Once you click start, the air fryer then preheats. I'm using the Ninja Foodie air fryer, by the way. Once the air fryer is ready, add in your chicken. I'm actually very surprised that I was able to fit 1 kg of chicken inside this air fryer, so I'm actually really, happy with that. So once the chicken is in, close the air fryer and allow these to cook. So when there's about 12 minutes left, I just checked on the wings and seen how they were doing. Make sure you give these a good mix and check on them. So the wings do look extremely overcrowded. One of the reasons was because I didn't want to do it in 2 batches, but also the chicken actually did cook very, very well, so that wasn't really a problem. So at this point, let the wings finish cooking, and then it's time to make the sauce. To start the sauce, I'm using some Blue Dragon sweet chili sauce. And I'm also using this measuring cup to make it easier in how much I use exactly. So for the sweet chili sauce, I use around half a cup. At this part, I actually don't have the heat on. I'm just casually adding everything in while it's off. Once the sweet chili's in, it's time to add in some ketchup. Ketchup does seem weird, but it does add a lot of flavour in the chicken. So sweet chili's in, then add in 2 tablespoons of some ketchup. After ketchup is some squeezable honey. The honey is important since it makes it very, very sticky, and I use 2 tablespoons. After the honey, it's time to add in some dark soy sauce. I only use 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And last but not least, I use some chopped garlic. You can also use fresh garlic as well. I use 1 teaspoon of this. Once everything is in, turn on the heat to medium and give it a good mix. So once the sauce is mixed well together, I then checked on the wings and they will cook perfectly. Once you see the sauce start bubbling, add in your air fried chicken. So at this point, you want to keep on mixing your chicken on a medium to high heat. You don't want it too high because you don't want the sauce to start burning. This process can actually take a while for the sauce to stick on the wings, so it can take you a couple minutes, so literally just have some patience. After a minute or two here, you can see that the sauce is slowly sticking onto the wings, and this is exactly what you want. But carry on mixing though. For me, if you don't continue mixing like how I'm doing in the video, you'll notice that the sauce will probably start burning, and you just want to have everything mixing basically. This is optional, but at this point I then added just a tiny bit more of the sweet chili sauce because I wanted a sweet chili flavour. After mixing for a couple minutes, this is how juicy you want your wings to look. So for the garnish, I literally just sliced up some spring onions and sprinkled them on the chicken. And the last part for the recipe, I sprinkled on some sesame seeds. And this is how I make my sticky sweet chili wings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down in the bio. See you guys in my next video.